20 years after actor Salman Khan allegedly shot and killed two blackbucks in Jodhpur, today finally the verdict in the case. Salman Khan, along with other actors, Saif Khan, actors Sonali Bendre, Tabu and Neelam, will all be present in the court of the Chief Judicial Magistrate in Jodhpur for the verdict in the final poaching case against him. The other actors are all charged with being present with Salman in the gypsy that he used for the alleged hunt and inciting him to poach the animals. Now, this case dates back to the night of October 1st and 2nd, 1998, and has come to the verdict stage after many twists and turns when Khan allegedly shot and killed two blackbucks in Kankani village of Jodhpur. Salman is facing charges under Section 51 of the Wildlife Protection Act, and other actors have been charged under Section 51 with Section 149 of the Indian Penal Code. You can see the actors as they left for Jodhpur and after arriving at the Jodhpur airport. The maximum punishment under Section 51 is 6 years. Now, video of Saif Ali Khan getting annoyed at the Jodhpur airport over questions on the case and even threatening his driver by saying, "Roll up the window or drive or else I'll slap you," has gone viral. Take a look at that video. All right, so let's just take you through what this entire case is about. The incident took place in 1998, 20 years ago, while Salman Khan was in Jodhpur filming the movie Hum Saath Saath Hain. The alleged poaching took place on the night of the 1st and 2nd October, and it took place in an area inhabited by the Bishnois, a traditional community that protects blackbucks and remains vigilant against poachers. Now, according to the prosecutor, all of the actors were in a gypsy that night with Salman Khan in the driver's seat. He, on spotting a herd of blackbucks, shot at and killed two of them. According to the eyewitnesses, the villagers, on hearing the gunshots, came out running. They even chased the gypsy that Salman Khan was driving, and that the actor fled the scene, leaving the carcasses behind. The Bishnois were key witnesses in this case against the actor. Now, the blackbuck, remember, is an endangered species and is protected under Schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Act. Now, the actor has once spoken about the entire incident to NDTV. In an interview to NDTV Sonia Singh, when she asked Salman about what happened on that night, the actor claimed he had only fed biscuits to the blackbuck. Take a look at what he had to say.
We saw their phone, and he was stuck in a bush. I just thought, and the whole herd was there. So I stopped the car, and he was like petrified. So we took him out. I took him out from there, and we gave him some water. And then after some time, he ate must biscuits at house, and then he went to his pack and he went away. I think from there, this whole thing came.
All right, well, that was Salman Khan's account of what happened that night. Harsha Kumari Singh, who's been tracking this case for the last 20 years, joining us on the phone line from Jodhpur. Harsha, you just heard Salman in that interview to Sonia in 2009 claiming he just caught the calf and he fed it biscuits and let it go. But, of course, the Bishnois, who are the key witnesses in this case, have a very, very different account of what happened. And in this particular poaching case, it's the only one in which there were actually witnesses, so to say, who actually have been, giving their testimonies and haven't turned hostile.
Yes, well, absolutely. According to the charge sheet, Gargi, it's a very different story. According to the charge sheet that was filed in the court 20 years ago, Salman with actors Tabu, Neelam, Saif and Sonali Bendre and two other people, one a local called Dushyant Singh and another person who was accompanying them, who since then has never actually, who's absconding since then, has never appeared in court, was attendant of Salman, called Dinesh. They were all traveling in that gypsy, and according to the Bishnois, remember the Bishnois are a tribe that protects the wildlife, so you will find many herds of blackbuck roaming quite freely in their villages. They went into this Bishnoi area and according to the charge sheet, they allegedly shot two deer. When the Bishnois heard the sound of the gypsy and the gunshots, they came running out, and two of them, Chogaram and Poonam Chand, actually chased Salman on a motorbike. They tried to get ahead of his gypsy and thought that they will stop him further where there was a toll naka. But according to their statements, Salman turned the gypsy around and went back. When he went back, the other Bishnois had also got alerted with all the noise and the racket. They came running out, and out of these four key witnesses, three of them have testified in court. One of them, due to medical reasons, was not able to testify, but 3 of them have testified in the court. Also, the deer, the carcass of the 2 deer which Salman had allegedly shot were recovered from that site. So that is very, very strong circumstantial evidence. There were 2 postmortems on that. And finally, the second postmortem, which was done by a board. It was not done by one person. It was done by a board. The postmortem did find holes in the deer's body. So really, there is evidence in this case. Also, it's much more serious to shoot blackbuck than to shoot chinkara deer, because blackbuck are an endangered species, like you said, under Schedule 1. So definitely, this case is going to be a defining case, so to speak, and this was the main case. It's only after he was arrested in this case that the Forest Department put together the story of the other 2 hunts, because earlier the other 2 hunts, the people had not been alerted about this, and this was the 3rd time that he did this, and 3rd time, unlucky, that's when he got caught, Kargi.
Right, Harsha, exactly. There have been other cases, and this is the 3rd and final case against him for poaching. He's been acquitted in the other 2.
Yes, absolutely. In the other 2 cases, the trial court did give him 1 year and 5 years respectively. But after that, in July 2016, he was acquitted by the Rajasthan High Court. But the Rajasthan government has filed SLP against that acquittal in the Supreme Court, and they have been given notices.
All right, and Harsha, what time can we expect the verdict, and a lot of journalists flying into Jodhpur for this final verdict against Salman Khan?
Yes, a lot of people in Jodhpur, a lot of police presence in the court area, because they expect a lot of fans. Also, a lot of preparations by the district administration. The court will convene at 10 o'clock. We expect that within half an hour, the accused will be present in court. And after that, probably the judgment should come in immediately. And then, if it is a sentencing or not a sentencing, then the proceedings will carry on accordingly. Karki.